For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can file fold your short. Yes, it is quite quick and easy. It's the style that Marie Kondo does herself, so you know it's going to be neat and organized in your dresser drawers. This is a quick and easy fold for your shorts. It's going to work for all your shorts pretty much, but it's easiest for these that have a little bit of stiffness in them. So you want to start out by zippering up the shorts, closing all buttons, and placing it with the front side facing up like this. From here we're going to split the shorts down the middle and fold it over in half from side to side like this. And then from here we can either fold in this crotch area. You're going to get a neater and nicer fold that way, but you're going to get a slight crease running down the butt of your shorts if you do that. So we're going to split it into 3 parts from here, and I'm going to fold from the top down 1/3 of the way like this, and then we'll repeat one more time 1/3 of the way like that. And from here you can stand it up like this. If it doesn't stand on its own, what you can do is kind of just squeeze it in a little bit at the top and down towards the bottom, and it should very nicely stand on its own. So I like to place this into an organizing system like this. These are all my pants and shorts here. So I'm just going to put it in here like this. And here you can see I easily have complete access to all my garments. So if I place this into a drawer now, I can open the drawer. Ah, yes, here are all my clothes. I know exactly what's in there. I like to color code them as well, so it's for easier access. And yeah, if you think this is cool, I have a free cheat sheet that you can download over on organizing.tv/hacks. It goes through all my 5 favorite folding hacks. It's going to help you organize your wardrobe and save tons of space. You can tap here right now if you want to check that out. And yeah. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.